Okay, welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, I'm actually selling my car, and this will be like a nice POV photo shoot of my car so I can start advertising it. I will not talk about why I'm selling my car because I think that's what I'll keep for the future videos. But first, we need to drive to the location so we can take the photos. So, okay, so I'm driving at peak traffic, 5 o'clock traffic, which is definitely the worst time to drive, but we are trying to catch the golden hour for the shoots, obviously, so we will just have to survive, right? The other thing is also, I am thinking of a location, but I'm not sure exactly what it looks like anymore, so I need to be there a bit earlier so I can also just check it out if it's actually worth it. And if not, then I need to think of another location, which is bad planning on my side. But that's just how it is for now. Yeah. I'm losing light a bit now, but it's alright. We can still make something out of it, so that's okay. But yeah, this is like a POV shoot. So I'm using my 24 to 70 mil. For some of you out there that are not photographers, I don't think it matters that much. But yeah. Here we go. That was a nice one. Damn. I like to keep it a little moody, so dark photos are actually nice always. Right. Let's get the TSI. Because that's what people like. Yeah. So let's see. I think we can get a nice one with see those mountains there? They are still having some lights on the tips of them. So let's see. Right. Yes, boss. And then obviously some interiors as well. I don't need to take too many. I mean, it's just like, it's not a professional shoot right now, so that's okay. Yeah. It would have been nice to have some sunlight still, but you know, the thing is, I was taking some time to shoot B-roll for the video, so it's alright. Maybe I can turn the lights on and then take some photos from the front. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Focus on the lights. I'll go a bit further so I can. Damn, look at that. Look at that. You can always crop in Lightroom, so it's fine. I am gonna miss this car. I'll tell you that. It's a nice car. It's a very nice car. Focus on the Volkswagen. There we go. Right. I could go there with the lightest, but the thing is, there's curves, and then when cars come, they won't see me quick enough, and I don't want to risk it. It's a bit too sketchy for that. But let me see. I don't know if you can see. Cool. think that's it, man. I don't need more than that, actually. Ach, it's alright. I wish there was sun. It's okay. I got some. It's alright. Cool. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. And if you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I will share it down below. So yes, I'll see you in the next one. Shop.